Uyeluzwe loyiceleza kakhulu lento le. Bakithi sibonge kakhulu. I was so jubilant to see the landing and acceptance and welcoming of the less than 200 Palestinians out of, there's so many, out of like 1.5 Palestinians. But at least finally sinabo namhlanje endaweni esafety ngoba kunabantu abaningi ngempela kade bethi free Palestinians ngifuna ukubona ukuthi bazoba welcome kanjani noma bebe pretend ngifuna ukubona bazoba welcome kanjani kodwa siyabonga nje free gift of the givers and other NGOs that we are not allowed to mention their names, the way they accepted them, babathatha udokotela babo checka yonke into babanika ingane ze malnutrition because of starvation around the Palestine because of this Holocaust so-called Israel. Oh, those people are apartheid. But that's sad route. Engisho ukuthi siyabonga nje kakhulu. We have to thank government wethu sibonga futhi no president ukuthi akwazi ukuthi angasho ukuthi fill up the plane, give them food and send it back. No, believe you me, if it was in Russia they were not going to be accepted. If they was in Russia they were not, and they know that is why they chartered the flight to South Africa. If it was in Russia they were not, I mean not, with an NOT, that kind of note. The Russians are different. That is why some people, they love something they don't know. Russians are different. But if it was Australia, they were going to be sent back. Give them food, add water, fill up the petrol, send them back. Simple as that. There are good amazon ngempela angenabo into ekuthiwa ubuntu. Kodwa siyabonga South Africa for what they did. But my question was around this. What about people from South Sudan who were genocided by Sudanese Arabs because of their ethnic differences and creed differences? Sithulile, African Union, global communities, abantu bamnyama. Namhlanje sine South Sudan ephuma ebuvileni bethu, ebugwaleni bethu. Nobuxoki phixi sabona ngathi into ezoke eSudan right ngoba yenziwa ama-Arab kubantu abamnyama, but uma ngabe ilungu begcindezela ama-Arab, that is wrong. Kungcono mekwenziwa kubantu omnyama. Mhlawumbe eSouth Sudan ephuwa ngendlela eyisimanga. Akaze sibone lama NGOs ethatha abantu ebasaphaza amazwe omhlaba ukuthi basizakale. South Africa as a whole ayikaze isho lutho ngalento enziwa lapha. Ayikaze kube khona even abantu abawutoyitoya kuma high court kuliwa neSudan lento abenza is a genocide. Ayikaze, because igazi lomuntu omnyama li weak komunye umuntu omnyama. Umuntu omnyama oncamela omunye umuntu omnyama